How to transfer data from one drive to another drive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open OneDrive on your device. Then go to the file or folder you want to transfer from one drive to another. Then click on the arrow-like icon, which is the share. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can add another Gmail of another drive and send it directly, or click on anyone with the link and edit. Here, click on links at the top, click on create and share a new link, then copy link in here, and after that you can simply share this link in another drive. From another drive, if you click on the link, it will open the file directly and will be added to OneDrive as well. This is how to transfer data from one drive to another drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.